In this video, we are going to see how we can change this background and attach this to a portrait image professionally of a studio picture. Let's say this is the person that I want to change the background of, and I want to put that backdrop that should be blurred, that should be of a studio quality. So what we can do is just simply go to the Gemini and upload both of these images. Click open and let's ask change the backdrop or background, let's say, of the person with the textured background attached, and we just hit enter. Let's see and wait for the results. And you can see for yourself that the results are pretty good, but the only downside is it shouldn't show this sunlight on the face. I just asked it to make it like it's taken in the studio without sunlight. So it got the same image. Obviously you need to do a couple of tries. And moreover, one more downside is it's not matching with the background because the picture quality is something different than the background and it looks like a photoshopped image. So in these cases, you have to do a couple of tries in order to get the perfect result, or you have to take a studio quality picture which is without this lighting effect and then put it in the background like that. And I have given some more references. As you can see, it has improved the quality of the image, but still it puts this sunlight on his face. Let's ask to simply remove the sunlight effect, and still it is unable to remove the sunlight. Let's try this on LM Arena. Let's go to the new chat, click on upload image, upload both of these images. Let's ask to change the background of the person with the backdrop attached, and let's ask to adjust the lighting as if this picture is taken in the studio. Let's wait for the results, and here are some of the results, but like Gemini, it has unable to remove the sunlight. Remove sunlight effect from his face and clothes. Let's try that, and again it has unable to remove the sunlight. So in this case it's not working, but you can try to adjust the background. It adjusted the background quite nicely, but obviously we still need a lot of improvement here. So I don't think it's very successful in changing the backdrops professionally as we do in Photoshop, but just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.